fans of Adidas Hoops and Dame will still be able to work out and go on runs in the new signature style, which costs an astronomical $90. Adi has taken steps to offer premium performance attributes at a more affordable price range, however signature models typically surpass the $100 threshold. You can't help but try these for $90. We are starting to learn about other colorways that will be available during the course of the shoe's roughly year-long lifecycle, as the Adidas Dame X is scheduled to make its retail debut in late June. The Dame logo on the tongue and the performance badge at the heel also feature green accents, giving this zero metallic colorway an all-too-elegant Stormtrooper look. Although a specific release date has not yet been announced, this Dame 10 colorway is anticipated to retail for $90 this autumn of '25.